This is a quick video on how to replace daylight bulb on a Kia Ceed. What you need to do, it's fairly simple, but you need to lift the car. It's very helpful. You can do it without lifting the car, but it's much more difficult. You need to remove two clips, one here and one here. So you just need this space, and then over here there is the bulb. You need to twist it counterclockwise to remove it, and you also have a plug. Let me show you how to reconnect it. So take the bulb, put it in its place. This is in its place, and now I need to twist it. Now it's in its place. I twisted counterclockwise. Now I reconnect the plug. Now I return these two clips. I reconnect the two clips. Now I check if it's working. So as you can see, the light is fixed. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys like always in the next video.